Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly, Right Honorable MAMODE Guwor, has dedicated his leadership of the 8th Assembly to God. During a well-attended Thanksgiving service held at the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Warri, Right Honorable Guwor, joined by his wife, Timiebe, close family members and friends, said it was incumbent on him to thank God for elevating him to the exalted office of Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly.
Warri Southwest is the last number in terms of hierarchy of local government, in terms of alphabetical order in arranging them. So my number became number 29 in Delta State House of Assembly till June 13th, when I was sworn in as the Speaker, number 1. From number 29 to number 1, first among equals, a servant of members of Delta State House of Assembly. I am grateful. I want to thank God for that which He has done for me.
Right Honorable Guwor promised to consolidate on the achievements of his predecessor in office, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewori, who is the current governor of Delta State. Governor Oborewori and his wife Tobore led other important dignitaries to the Thanksgiving service to celebrate with one of their own.
Inside the Niger Delta,